Okay, after painting my car with different guns, I've been using Harbor Freight gun, the Black Widow. I've used several different other guns that I had. I've been having issues with them, and I decided to go ahead and try the dv1 for my base coats. Uh, we painted, but we don't have a lot of experience with different guns. So I mean, this is gonna be the first time we're using this gun. We're gonna see how it goes. They said this is one of the best base coat guns on the market. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna see if there's actually a difference. It's the first time we tried a gun like this. We also buy the WS 400, the Iwata for the clear coat. We're gonna see if there's a difference between using regular cheaper guns to these ones that are higher end. So we'll see how that goes. We have a car to spray. It's on the boot. We're gonna see how it goes.